Hello people, so this is my 26th video of the day, and I have to say this people that in this video I want to thank Mrs. Sharmila Kunnu, like Mrs. Sharmila, who was my favoriteest teacher to have ever, it's like I'm indebted to her. She was our English faculty in college at St. Francis Degree College, Begumpet, which is in Hyderabad. No, considering YouTube is global reach, but seriously, in life when you meet some exceptional teachers, you should just like from your heart take the time out to thank them, because somewhere they would have molded you into the person you are. And Sharmila ma'am taught me that it's possible to be an amazing teacher at the same time so lovable. Like, some teachers are very nice, but they are very strict. Or, Sharmila ma'am is the sort of person you'd want to go and hug her, because she's got that, just that sweet, that goodness that radiates, you can just sense it. And so, Sharmila ma'am, thank you from the bottom of my heart, because I think my entire experience at St. Francis Degree College was so special because I had you as my faculty, as I was fortunate to be your student. So, on that note, thank you. Thanks, people. Like, I'm so grateful for YouTube also to be able to send out this message, but seriously. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.